So welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. It's a windy day here in Tennessee. I was actually going to burn the brush pile today, but when I got online to get my burn permit, they wouldn't even give them out today because of all this wind, and that's understandable, I guess. A lot of people ask me if a permit costs money to burn. It does not. You can do it on your phone. It takes about 2 minutes to do it. They email it over to you, but they only give it out in ideal conditions. When it's windy like this, they won't do it. There's a few updates here on the timber frame. Yesterday, me and Dad worked about all day. I didn't video anything as I was trying to get this done. So we put up some partial walls right there on the other side of those knee braces. Those knee braces are white oak. And we put up our header that will go over top of the door. We used some 2x10s for that and put some plywood in between it for strength. So now all I need to do is come over here and put metal on this side and on that side, and then build the door, and of course put metal on the top as well. So on the doors here, friends, we're going to build them down here in the new shop. It's going to be our first project when all these machines are up and running. They should be up and running here within a week, hopefully, if things go right. But we'll see what happens on that. I'm usually delayed on stuff. And here's what I need your guys' help on. It's going to be a double door entry, and you guys are going to decide what species of wood. So here are your choices. I could do it in pine. I can also do, actually 4 choices actually. I can either do this in cedar, pine, cypress, or black walnut. Now before the comment section explodes and people says that black walnut's a terrible use for doors on a shop, I got a lot of black walnut here, friends. I got about 800 feet in the dry kiln right now that's dry, so that would be a good use for some of that actually, and make for a pretty unique door. And on the cypress, I don't have any of that here either, but my buddy Jake Dean down in Georgia has plenty of it, so I may drive down there and get some off of him in the next few weeks if you guys go with that. So cast your vote down in the comments. Eastern red cedar, pine, cypress, or black walnut. My vote's for cypress because it gives me an excuse to go see Jake, but I'll let you guys decide. So today I've been working on this back wall, putting up more white pine siding. These are some really nice board, friends. Those are 10 inches wide, and I'm out of boards. I need to cover about 20 more feet right there. My plan is, once this pine is up for about 2 weeks and kind of air dries a little, we'll put some house wrap over it and then put metal on the outside. Now we're going to go jump in the tractor, head up to the sawmill, and cut some more of this pine. Actually, before I cut the pine, I got a white oak I need to finish that's up around the 754. Alright friends, I just realized it's 9 o'clock. I got good neighbors and they like me and I like them. I want to keep it that way. We'll come back here in 2 days and finish up this log. Don't go anywhere.